For over 150 years, since the time of Charles Darwin, the theory of evolution has been through more scrutiny and rigorous investigation than just about any other scientific claim. Since that time, the theory of evolution has only been strengthened as more evidence has been accrued. While there are many that, for ideological reasons, want to make it seem like evolution is not widely accepted within the scientific community, this is not actually the case. Across universities, research institutions, and scientific organizations, evolution is not only merely universally accepted, it is also the basis upon which active, exciting, and important research is being done. Evolution is not just something from the past, it also happens in real time. Bacteria mutate and resist antibiotics. Viruses reinvent themselves and elude new medications. Animals adopt their behavior in response. In tradition, researchers have studied evolution by looking back, often using fossils and other relics to understand how organisms have ever changed over time in order to survive. It is an established and valuable technique, but it is not the only one. Thanks to new sophisticated computational technology, scientists now can combine field observations with the digital evolution systems, enabling them to answer important biological questions as well as evolve non-biological problems using evolutionary methods. It's not that what this technique will shed light on evolution over millions of years, but is able to study things we can actually observe with our own eyes. We are looking at evolution in the real world. Computer software allows the researchers to create digital organisms, similar in some ways to real bacteria and viruses, that can copy themselves, make mistakes, and cause mutations, essentially behaving like the real-life counterparts. The organisms exist as sequences of self-replicating
Guys,
computer
I
code.
found something!
The code
Guys, I
determines
found
how the
something!
Oh,
organisms
really?
reproduce
Where?
and how they utilize the
Guys!
available resources, memory, and processor cycles. To survive, the organisms have to find a way to increase, or at least
Oh my
maintain,
god.
their sheer control over these resources. Built into their code is the ability to change or mutate. The code is their genome. Valuable lessons about evolution can be learned by studying how digital organisms adapt and survive. The difference, however, is that the digital organisms can do it in a fraction of time. Engineers also can use engineering simulation software to create an environment where new product designs can evolve. With each generation, the computer makes random mutations in existing designs in order to produce new ones. The simulation software then evaluates each new line and allows the better ones to survive, much like evolution in nature. Computers also can evolve new robot programs, making use of natural selection and enabling the machines to respond to human or animal interactions. Upon doing this technique in studying evolution, first videotape the events in nature and then model them with computational simulations in order to study their evolutionary origins, including the conditions under which each behavior is effective. By having these systems available, the students learn a different way of formulating their hypothesis and asking their questions. Then, when they start working with digital organisms, they also can get results the next day and the next week, rather than having to work for years in the lab. As this world getting modernized, the researchers make use of the advanced technology that computers and software offer. With that software, the processes in identifying fossils or relics can easily be studied and can provide fast results, unlike studying it manually, which takes years to obtain results. When the data from the fossils are found, This will be inputted in a software and create a digital image of that organism based on its genome. With that, the obtained results will then be compared to other results to know what kind of organism is found.